You're in the middle of work, and you need to search something fast. You don't want to open a browser, switch tabs, wait to load. What if Google came to you instantly? Meet the Google app for Windows, a free, lightweight desktop app that sits quietly in the background until you need it. Just press Alt+Space and it's right there. The floating window appears instantly over whatever you're working on. It doesn't interrupt you, it assists you. Type a question, search the web, even share your screen for visual search with Google Lens. Switch to AI mode and Gemini kicks in. Ask it anything. Summarize today's top news, explain a concept, draft a reply, right from your desktop without touching a browser. And this is where it gets really cool. I typed results of RCB vs LSG, and boom, a live IPL cricket scorecard appeared instantly. RCB won by 5 wickets, Josh Hazelwood, player of the match. No browser, no app switch, just Alt+Space. The Google app for Windows is free, official from Google, and works on Windows 10 and 11. Download link is in the article at techno360.in. Link in the description. If this saved you time, hit subscribe.